In today's lecture, we will see how to set Python development environment on Linux operating system. To set on Linux, you don't need a long list of instructions because Python is already installed on most Linux. To check this, you open terminal of Linux and write command of Python in small letters. You will get this kind of output in which the version of Python will be shown. If you have to check the third version of Python, whether it is installed in it or not, then you will simply write the command of Python 3. An installed version of Python 3 will be displayed in front of you. It means that it is properly installed and is in working condition also. If you want to check which text editor can be used, then Genie text editor. If you want to install in Linux, go to Linux terminal sudo apt get package install Genie. If there is any problem there, then you can go to its website and by following instruction can install it. After installing Genie, then you open it and make any file with the name hello world.py and from save as option save it. When you have to execute it, it will ask for Genie configuration. How you have to configure it? You should open the software of Genie in toolbar. There will be an option of build. There will be set build command. When you will click on set build command, you will get this menu configuration in which there will be a tab of compile and another tab of execution. In compile time, you have to write the command of compile, and in execute, you have to write the execute command and save it. Then you have to save the file. After saving, there is a submenu of execute and build menu. You will click on that. Then your command or program will be successfully shown as output. Now we will see how it is installed on Mac.